Hello friends, welcome to my channel, my name's Kim. I show everyone how to properly trade binary options and also show you to the easiest and most profitable strategies for you. Before starting this video, I recommend you to subscribe to my closed Telegram channel where I post free signals with 90% accuracy. Link in the description, and we start our trading. So today guys, we will continue our challenge. In the last video we stopped right there at $400 and let's carry on our trading guys from over here. The goal of the challenge is reaching $100,000. I think we'll do that. Today we use the following indicators. We got the alligator instead of the super trend. Alligator is also a trend indicator. So let's get down to the analysis and look what we got here on the charts. Here is a good correction to the downside while the upward dynamics prevails. That's why we are gonna open the long position. We trade with the trend right after the correction. Let's underline the trend line. We understand the touch takes place, and I don't think the price is gonna be a breakout. Because the RCI is currently in the oversold zone and we see a good correction here together with the upward dynamics. That's why we open a long position here guys. We are gonna wait for the breakout. There are around 25 seconds left before the closing and I am expecting the breakout at the end and our position will be in profits. 10 seconds guys, let's just focus on the candles movement. And our first position has been closed with a profit guys. Nice level of the trade entry level. The breakout has eventually happened and we in profits. The correction is over for now and let's pick out the next currency pair. Let's continue our analysis. Here we see a small breakout. I can say that the updating of the local low is happening here. So we wait for the candles to go up a little bit and we open a position according to the trend direction. However, the second breakout seems to be happening. Look at this guys. So let's wait for the second candles and then open our position. Well, and let's open a short position here. Select the workspace. We open with the trend guys. All the moving average facing downwards. The alligator's jaws is above the price and it tells us that the downward dynamics prevails here. And overall, according to the RCI, there is a small correction in the zone exactly that we see here and here, after which the price movement should go lower. That's why we open a short position and there are literally 20 seconds left before the closing. Let's wait guys. Final second guys, and again our position is in the profit. Great trade entry. We didn't rush things and waited a little bit. After that we fixed in the profit. So far so good guys, and we are not gonna slow down here. Let's find another currency pair. Yep, let's continue our analysis, and here we open another long position following the trend direction. We see the crossing of the moving average on the alligator, which means that the upward dynamics should dominate here. From this local low, we see that the price goes to the upside and we can conclude that there is gonna be upward price dynamics, and basically we see the positive dynamics on the RCI. So we opened the long and we are waiting for the breakout. There are literally 20 seconds left before the closing. Our long position has been closed in profit, guys. Wasn't complicated at all. If we open with the trend, then it's gonna go smoothly. Let's continue our trading. By the way, here also a good rate entry for a long, so why not opening here? We follow the price dynamics here. I will bring out a little technical analysis, guys. After this flat, we see the price went down and then the support zone played out here, the local low was updated here, and from this point the price started going up. The updating of the local highs here and another updating here. And in general we understand that here is a strong uptrend, and after this pullback the price should continue going up. That's why we open the long position, guys, and we see the breakout. Besides, another position has been closed with a profit, guys. Obviously, I'm happy with the outcome. Let's continue. There is no stopping here. Let's find another currency pair. We carry on our analysis. The support zone played out here. And theoretically, let's open for short position following the trend direction. Also, we have seen a good correction actually. I would better to open right here, but if we point out the trend line, we see a nice touch here, and the following price dynamics should be go lower. The elongated jaw is facing downward, and in general we see the downward dynamics on the RSI, so opening a short position is the key to success here. Our another position is in a profit, guys. Let's refresh the page and continue our trading session. We already got $7,000 on our balance, and we gonna open 7,000 position, guys, and find another currency pair for that. Let's take a look right here. Let's open 7 long position, guys. I think the breakout is even here. While having the upward dynamics on the chart, we open our trades following the trend. Look, here is the crossing of the moving average, and every single one is facing upwards. The more upward dynamics prevails here. That's why we open a long following the trend direction right after this pullback. Also, we see the same positive dynamics on the RSI, and basically opening a long is the best option here. There are 20 seconds left before the closing. By now we are observing a good breakout, and let's wait for the outcome and watch the price dynamics. Five seconds. Oh my god, well, guys, and all the position are in profit, guys. The breakout is gaining moments, and we got almost 14,000 on our balance. Remind you guys that we started from $1. Would you believe that? So we are not gonna stop here. Let's open another 5 or 7,000, and let's pick out another currency pair. Let's take a look at here. And let's open a long position here without second thought. I think it's not typical to see such a pump on this kind of measured price movements. The touch of the resistance zone also take place here, so let's highlight it on the chart. We also see nice volumes here, point out this impulse, and it looks very similar to what is happening right now. There are more downward dynamics, and after this correction the pullback to the downside unit. So we already saw the impulse candles, after which a correction or a small pullback should follow up. And in general we have a nice trade entry level. final seconds, guys, and yes, all the position I gain in profit, guys. We got almost $20,000 on our balance. Let's refresh the page. Basically, we've already managed to achieve a great result, but let's open final position for today again. 7,000 trade. Let's take a look. So here a huge impulse to the downside, so we catch him immediately and open our long position. I think we caught a perfect trade entry level, brilliant trade entry, guys. And overall, we see the touch here. It's highly unlikely that our candles will go that low like here, because the RCI is already at the oversold zone and it looks like the crossing is gonna happen. We open our position ahead of the market. And this correction here, after which I'm expecting to see the impulse to the upside. There are around 15 seconds left before the closing of our position. Let's wait, guys. So the final seconds, 5 seconds before the closing. This is very intense, guys. And yes, all the position are in profit, guys. We got 25,000 on our balance right now. There we go. That's how we trade, and this is where we stop for today. We'll continue in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe, like, and to go my closed Telegram channel. We will trade and earn together.